Where Catherine is down here, there's a bypass, goes up through the woods down there, so we can still get around, but the bridge is a no-go. Yeah, probably a good idea. Happy freaking Saturday, everybody. We are making our way through Kingfield, Maine, on our way to meet up with some locals, Adam and Catherine, who hit us up. And this should be basically our first adventure while in Maine. We had a lot of mishaps lately, waiting on gear, things like that. But today, finally, we get to start exploring Maine. There they are. Hey guys. Nice Toyota. Adam, nice to meet you.
Jake,
Nice to meet you. Catherine.
Catherine.
Oh.
Hi. Ben.
And what's up, Adam? Good to meet you.
This is Catherine and Adam, and they hit me up and wanted to go on an adventure today, so I'm happy we could make it work. Adam owns Back Bay Customs, right in Portland?
Yep, Portland, Maine.
Portland, Maine. Go check them out if you're ever in the area.
I make jewelry and work in an office.
Oh, that sounds fun though.
Yeah.
Catherine makes jewelry, works in an office. We're gonna try out a couple different areas, see if they're passable or not.
Yep.
But this area sounds like there's so much to do and see.
Yeah, lots of old logging roads and all kinds of cool 4x4 trails.
Oh man.
Super fun.
So it doesn't sound like we're gonna have a problem finding somewhere. So first off today, we need supplies, gas, food, things like that. So we're gonna run into Tranton's, this local little store here in Kingfield, and get ready to go on the trails. David here has some private property up the road. He offered for us to stay there if we need to.
Give me a shout, you know, you're welcome up my way, you know.
Hey man, that means a lot, appreciate it.
Yeah, yeah.
Whenever I have an opportunity to throw the windshield down, I like to throw it down. Obviously the branches sometimes are going to hit you in the face, but most of them are getting deflected by these support bars for the roof rack, as you can see right there. Most of the time they work pretty well to deflect the branches, they don't hit us in the face, but some of them still hit us in the face. Looks like we got a washout up here. Washed out?
Yeah, there's a bypass.
Okay, cool. Got a big branch here across the trail. Adam's gonna take care of. That'll do her.
Yep.
This is the last spring before camp, and we were running low on water, so it's time to replenish our water. I think I might dip my head in too. It's getting hot out. Oh, it's nice. Man, this is beautiful out here, Adam.
It really is. It's so nice. I think we made the water kind of muddy.
Yeah, we definitely didn't help. While we're out here, we're kind of looking for some firewood as well. A lot of old logging trails, things like that. Beautiful area. Too dead?
Yeah, it's soft inside.
Yeah, probably all piled up from the stream.
Yeah, kind of rotten.
We're pretty close to camp.
Yeah, pretty close.
Yeah, we should be able to find some more dead wood around there.
Yep, there's some clearings up there. We can kind of shoot off in the side and see what we can find.
Cool. Perfect. A little bit farther and we'll be at camp. Having a blast.
Completely washed out from the spring.
This used to all be really smooth, almost like grass, just a grass driveway.
Yeah.
And now it's all washed out.
Makes it fun.
We're definitely getting a little technical in this part of the trail. Good. Faster. Well, for our first adventure in Maine, this is amazing. You guys were saying though, a lot of it is change. You know, every time you guys come through, it seems like it changes, and
Yeah.
a lot of washouts and
The spring melt and the rains really change the terrain.
yeah. But we made her. No one broke anything.
Yep.
And now we're at camp. We're about to go on a wood run, and they just found an old wood pile they had stored from a previous visit. There we go.
Oh yeah. This is kind of what's up in the woods here, this old stuff. It's kind of
Nice.
rotten, but it burns.
If this isn't enough, you can always go on a wood run.
Get a fire going, cook lunch now, and go,
Yeah, that sounds good.
right?
Yeah, let's do
Hang
it.
out. We've had a lot of bouncing around.
Yeah, it took us about 3 hours probably to get through. It was close to to
Yeah.
3 hours probably to get through. So then we're gonna have lunch. Then maybe we'll go on a wood run later, and try to soak up the beauty of the land.
The raspberries that are growing all along the trail are amazing.
Oh, there's raspberries.
Tons, endless. Another reason there might be bears.
Yeah. Well, I might pick some later.
They're so good.
Lunch is served. Got lunch for a change of pace. Don't normally stop and make lunch. Just eat big breakfasts and dinners, but today works out perfect. Made camp way earlier than normal too.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
For a change.
We are going on a little bit of a wood run. Get some firewood. Want to have some nice fires while we're out here. Load up, Annie.
Oh, she wants to come up.
There she goes. Go hang out in back here.
Yeah, what's Uncle Ben?
There you go. Catherine's hanging out at base camp. Gonna take it easy. Protect Jade. See ya! We're only going like quite literally probably a quarter mile or so down the trail. Come on. There you go. So that dead tree right there stood out to us. You can see just the top of it. I'm gonna take that sucker out. Just get one tree and be done with her. Plenty of wood. Oh, there we go, some raspberry.
Little baby one. Little baby raspberry. Had to eat it, sorry.
There you go. I'll get the next one. Yeah, it definitely has no leaves.
And there's moldy there's mushrooms on it, so I don't know.
I feel like it'll still burn pretty easy though. There's definitely no leaves or nothing.
Yeah,
Yeah, I think we're good. There she goes. Whoa!
Yep, the top's dead.
Yeah, that was the piece we were hoping for.
That's the one.
The most dead. There's really not a lot of space to swing the axe, so in this circumstance, having this electric chainsaw is perfect. I'm wondering There you go. First big log.
Angle off the back, huh? You see the kind of stuff we do, so the branches and there's some.
Ladies and gentlemen, the first batch of beef jerky. We just got a dehydrator and we've been running it all day making beef jerky while we're driving on the trail. Ground beef, and it was marinating for like 3 days?
Yeah.
Something like that. It's actually pretty good.
Right?
You guys want to try some beef jerky?
Yeah.
Homemade beef jerky.
Maybe a little over a pound, like a pound and a half.
Man, that is not bad at all.
Yeah,
Took about 5-6 hours.
Yeah, about. I thought they were gonna shrink a lot more, but.
This is our new thing. We're making beef jerky while living in the Jeep. Men make beef jerky. Men make beef jerky. I've always wanted to make beef jerky. It's pretty easy. This is the camp beef jerky. Please help yourself.
The community jerk.
Community jerky.
Yeah, tastes like beef jerky.
Yeah. It's not bad at all.
Nice seasoning.
You actually make these, right, at the shop you own?
Yep. Yeah, we manufacture tailgate panels.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah. Gives you a ton of storage.
There you go. I like it. And then I noticed this right away. This storage rack up here.
Yep.
That's a good addition too. I know I drive a Jeep, but I'm sure I got plenty of Toyota owners out there. So yeah, if you guys are interested in checking out some of these things, it's just Back Bay Customs. You can find my Instagram, Facebook.
Yep.
Michael and Corey from Overland Bound, I know, are rocking one of these. And I'm sure a lot of people would be interested in that storage rack up there too, if you guys start making those. So
Yeah.
it's perfect. Man, you got so much space in here. All you gotta do is put the back seat forward and you're golden.
That's it, yeah.
It's always cool to see different setups. You know, everyone has a different configuration.
Yeah, it's
for
a
their
very basic
needs
one,
and-
but it works.
It works, yeah. We got such a nice camp tonight. Gonna have a fire. Gonna get some steaks going soon here. Life is good. We have this can problem. This pesky can is lurking around camp.
It's very
Okay.
large too.
It's a large pesky can. We don't know why it's here or what it wants, but it won't leave. And so Ben is gonna have to take care of it. Also, we're gonna do it very silently with a silencer. This is a Ruger Mark IV 22. There we go. Give Mr. Can.
I got one!
Hey, 1 out of 30 ain't
I
bad.
didn't want to kill the can, I just wanted to injure it.
Now he's mad, he's gonna stay there.
Nice.
This is wicked awesome.
Wicked Bob.
Wicked. This is a great spot. Yeah, thanks for bringing us up here.
Oh, totally, man.
The rain just let up. We were all in a mad dash to pack away all of our gear and everything. We got a big rainstorm coming in. But we've had a good morning hanging out around the fire, coffee, good breakfast, good company. But rainstorm's moving in, so we're packing up to get out of Dodge, and hopefully our, we don't know which trail's gonna be open. As you saw on the way up here, everything kind of has changed since Adam and Catherine have been out here last. So we'll see what's open as far as the trails go. Straight up ahead was the bridge. There's not really much of a bridge anymore. So we're gonna be taking this bypass over here, and let me show you the bridge though. Cool bridge, but it's pretty much eroded. I mean, I could probably cross it by foot. Looks really sketchy right there, just not worth it. Obviously can't cross it with the rig, so. Where Catherine is down here, there's a bypass. Goes up through the woods down there, so we can still get around, but the bridge is a no-go. Yeah, probably a good idea.
Want to go over under the trees? Yeah. Okay.
These guys are taking off. They're gonna quick air up beforehand, but man, we had such a blast. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed all the cool footage of us just tearing up the trails. No, thank you guys so much for showing us a great time.
Oh, it's so fun.
So nice to meet you.
Really fun.
Thanks for everything.
Yeah, man.
Had a blast.
That was wicked fun.
It was so much fun. Yeah. Such good people. Had such a good time. Before I end this video, very blessed to say I have a bunch of thank yous today to some wonderful people. William Waite, Andrew Morin, Mallory Bird, Eli Miner, and Randall Thorne. Randall. That's a good name. It's actually my middle name. All these wonderful people are new Patreon pledges, helping us support this journey, and I just gotta say thank you guys so much.
Aim lower.
He never hit it once.
It's dark, alright?
No, it's not that dark. You have glasses on.
Yeah, alright.
I thought you might have forgot your glasses.
It's not in the 1080 zone.
There it is. There we go.
I got one!
Hey, 1 out of 30 ain't
I
bad.
didn't want to kill the can, I just wanted to injure it.